The digital landscape has transformed the way businesses connect with their audience. For businesses operating in multiple locations, local SEO is no longer just an option, it is a necessity. Each location has unique challenges, different customer preferences, and its own competitive environment. Simply listing all locations under one website is not enough. Businesses must optimize each location individually to dominate local search results. When done right, local SEO can drive more foot traffic, generate more leads, and increase conversions for every branch of a business. If you really want to take your SEO career journey to another level, enroll now in Transform Academy Limited Advanced Marketing Courses via our website www.whattransformacademyof.com and continue your journey to a high-paying SEO career. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Transform Academy's YouTube channel for more expert digital marketing content. Now let's dive deep into how you can effectively optimize multiple locations for local search success. Managing multiple Google My Business listings. One of the most critical aspects of local SEO for multi-location businesses is Google My Business optimization. Each business location must have its own separate Google My Business listing. Google treats every location as an individual entity, so failing to create dedicated listings for each branch can negatively impact visibility. Most businesses do not realize that incorrectly managing multiple Google My Business listings can actually work against them. If Google detects duplicate or conflicting information across listings, it might suspend or remove them altogether. This is why many businesses suddenly disappear from search results without warning. Imagine running a successful chain of restaurants and overnight, Google decides to suspend half of your locations because of minor inconsistencies in addresses or phone numbers. The impact on foot traffic and revenue can be devastating. This is why ensuring that each listing is not only present but also accurate and well-maintained is crucial. Additionally, many businesses fail to add UTM tracking codes to their GMB links, which means they cannot accurately measure the website traffic and conversions coming from their listings. By adding UTM codes, businesses can track exactly how many leads, phone calls, and store visits are coming from each location. Without this level of insight, businesses are essentially operating in the dark, not knowing which locations need the most attention. To manage multiple locations effectively, consistency is key. Ensure that every listing has the correct business name, address, phone number, and website link. Even small variations in spelling or formatting can cause discrepancies that hurt search rankings. Google relies on uniformity across all listings to establish trust and credibility. But here's the challenge: managing multiple GMB listings requires constant monitoring. Each location will receive different reviews, questions, and engagement. If a business does not actively manage its listings, negative reviews, incorrect information, or unanswered questions can harm its reputation. This is why using Google Business Profile Manager or third-party local SEO tools can help streamline listing management and ensure each location is properly maintained. Creating individual landing pages for each location. Another critical step in local SEO for multi-location businesses is building dedicated landing pages for each location. Many businesses make the mistake of listing all locations on a single Our Locations page, which dilutes SEO potential and fails to target specific local audiences. Each landing page should include location-specific keywords. These keywords help Google associate your business with relevant local searches. For example, if you own a plumbing company with multiple locations, a dedicated page for plumbing services in Dallas will perform better than a generic Our Locations page. Unique content. Avoid using the same content across all location pages. Google penalizes duplicate content, so customize each page with unique descriptions, local promotions, and relevant services. Embedded Google Maps. Adding a Google map with your exact location not only improves user experience but also boosts local rankings. Customer reviews and testimonials. Featuring reviews from customers in that specific location enhances credibility and increases conversions. A well-optimized landing page for each location significantly improves search visibility and user experience, making it easier for potential customers to find and engage with the right branch. Here's something shocking: Google favors businesses that show local relevance through deep, unique content. Many companies copy and paste the same descriptions, offers, and service details across all location pages, assuming it will be enough. This is a massive mistake. Google's algorithm detects duplicate content, and instead of ranking those pages higher, it actually lowers their visibility. A single high-quality location page can outrank 10 poorly optimized pages. This means if you operate in 10 cities but use the same generic content for each location, you're losing out on valuable ranking opportunities. Businesses must customize their content based on local trends, customer needs, and competition in each area. Tracking multi-location performance. Once your business has multiple locations optimized, the next challenge is tracking performance effectively. Every location will have different search rankings, customer behaviors, and engagement levels. Without proper tracking, you won't know which locations are performing well and which ones need improvement. Google Search Console and Google Analytics allow businesses to track search queries, clicks, and user behavior for each location. Additionally, tools like Google My Business Insights provide data on how customers find your business, direct searches, discovery searches, branded searches. The most popular search queries for each location. Engagement metrics such as calls, direction requests, and website clicks. For businesses with multiple locations, setting up tracking for each branch separately is crucial. Most businesses assume that all locations will perform the same way in search rankings. But here's where they go wrong. Each city, town, or neighborhood has a completely different competitive landscape. If a business in New York competes with 50 other similar businesses, while its branch in a smaller town only competes with 10, the SEO strategy needs to be adjusted accordingly. A one-size-fits-all approach to multi-location SEO will never work. Some locations might need more aggressive content marketing, while others might need better citation management or backlink building. Without monitoring data on an individual location basis, businesses often waste money and effort focusing on locations that do not need as much attention while ignoring the locations that require improvement. Competitor tracking for each location is also crucial. If a competitor in one city starts using paid ads or aggressive link building, you need to adapt your strategy immediately before losing market share. If you see that one location is ranking well while another is struggling, you can adjust your strategy accordingly. Customizing content for each service area. Content is a powerful tool for local SEO, but when managing multiple locations, customization is essential. Google values localized content because it ensures relevance for searchers in specific areas. For example, if you operate a chain of coffee shops, each city or neighborhood will have different customer preferences. A shop in a busy metropolitan area might attract office workers looking for quick takeaway options, while a shop in a suburban area might focus on families who want a relaxed coffee experience. How to customize content for each location. Write blog posts relevant to each city. Create articles such as Best Coffee Shops for Remote Work in Los Angeles or Where to Find Organic Coffee in Austin. Feature local events and partnerships. Show community involvement by promoting local sponsorships, collaborations, or events. Create location-based FAQs. Answer common questions for each location, such as, does your New York branch have outdoor seating? The more relevant and location-specific your content is, the better your chances of ranking higher in local search results. Managing reviews and engagement for multiple locations. Reviews play a major role in building trust and improving search rankings. However, when managing multiple locations, businesses must ensure that each location receives consistent engagement. Google prioritizes businesses that have regular customer interactions, so responding to reviews, answering questions, and updating business details are essential. One shocking fact about reviews is that Google does not just use them for rankings, it actually scans the text of each review to identify relevant keywords. This means that if customers frequently mention fast delivery in Miami or best Italian restaurant in Chicago, Google will boost rankings for those keywords. Businesses that only focus on star ratings miss out on the SEO power of customer reviews. Encouraging customers to use specific keywords, product names, or service details in their reviews can give businesses a competitive advantage. Moreover, businesses that ignore negative reviews or fail to respond quickly not only lose customer trust, but also risk having their rankings drop. Best practices for managing multi-location reviews. Encourage customers to leave reviews for specific locations. Use QR codes, email follow-ups, or in-store signage to prompt feedback. Respond to every review. Whether positive or negative, responding to reviews shows customers that you value their feedback. Address negative reviews professionally. Instead of ignoring or deleting negative reviews, acknowledge the issue and provide a solution. This builds credibility and trust. Leverage positive reviews as testimonials. Feature the best reviews on each location's website page to attract new customers. A business with strong review management and engagement across multiple locations is more likely to rank higher and convert more potential customers. If you really want to take your SEO career journey to another level, enroll now in Transform Academy Limited Advanced Marketing Courses via our website www.whattransformacademy.com and continue your journey to a high-paying SEO career. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Transform Academy's YouTube channel for more expert digital marketing content. By implementing these local SEO strategies for multi-location businesses, you will be able to increase search visibility, attract more customers, and build a strong digital presence across all locations. The final but most overlooked part of multi-location SEO is leveraging local backlinks. Businesses that operate in multiple cities often only focus on national-level backlinks, ignoring powerful local link-building opportunities. A business that secures local news mentions, partnerships with nearby businesses, or collaborations with local influencers will rank higher than competitors who rely only on large, generic backlinks. Imagine a gym with locations in Los Angeles, Houston, and Miami. If the Los Angeles location is featured in a local health magazine, that single backlink will be more powerful than 10 random links from unrelated blogs. Local backlinks create strong relevance signals for Google, which helps each location rank higher in geo-specific searches. Keep optimizing, keep growing, and dominate your local market.